Hello, and welcome to Saints Be One channel. Today, do I have a treat for you? We're gonna do us some burgers, but not just any old kind of burgers. We're gonna do these burgers today. If you have not tried these plant-based burgers, they are delicious. You can purchase these from your local grocery store or from your local Whole Food store. Somewhere like Sam's, BJ's, Costco may even have them. I don't know, but I have a membership at Sam's and BJ's. Wherever you shop, they should have it. It'll come just like this in your grocery store. If you have never had a plant-based patty before, let me say this. It does not have the same fat content as a regular burger would have. So therefore, we gotta make this juicy. And I'm gonna make it so juicy. Juicy. The juice plus seasoning, you're gonna think this is a regular burger. You ain't gonna know the difference. You're really not. You're gonna love it. Sit back, relax, and come on, y'all. Let's get into this video. have come to the end of this video. Did I not keep my promise about this Beyond Meatless burger? This plant-based burger. Do you see how juicy I made this burger? You can't tell the difference. You cannot tell the difference. And I'm going to show you what I got left. Now, Coma Leak, they plain Janes. But me, I went all the way. I got avocado, tomatoes, spinach, portobello mushrooms, sauteed onions, a little bit of blue cheese dressing with a little bit of ketchup and mayonnaise. I think that's about it. But it turned out perfectly. And look, do you see? Look at there. This is all I got left. It's a half a sandwich. And I had to force myself to eat it because normally when I cook, I can't eat it all. But go out and pick up this burger. Come on back and let me know how you like it, okay? This right here is truly beyond any vegetarian or vegan patty I have ever had. And remember, good eating comes from the heart. So whatever you put in is what you're going to get out. So I hope you've enjoyed the time we shared together. Until next time, be blessed. Bye, y'all.